A lovely morning to all of you. What are you doing? I hope you are doing good at your home. So, children, let us start a new topic that you already learned in the previous classes. But here once again we have to learn it. Okay, so this is pronouns. What is the pronouns? It, I, it, you, they, we, he, she. Okay, these are the pronouns. Where we have to use it? Take the place of a noun means we can say pronouns are words that take the place of noun. These are pronouns. Okay, let us see. The words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Okay? Read these sentences one by one, I will see. Read these sentences. Hi, I am Sonia. But here I am Sarika. I study in grade 1. Here it is written, you can say I study in grade 4. Okay? You can say your name. No problem. Read these sentences. This is my family. We stay in a big house. Okay? You can say in a small house also, big building also. So this is my family. We stay in a big house. Now look at another picture with sentences. This is a cute dog. It loves to play all day. Here for the dog we have to use it, and for the non-living things also we have to use it. Okay, he is used for boys and men. Okay, he is used for boys and men. She is used for girls and women. Yes, girls and women we have to use she. She is a doctor. She is a Julie. If you say, then you can say she is a Mahima or whatever it is, any name you can say. He is my father. He is the clown. So he is my father. He is my clown. In place of clown, you can take another example. He is my brother. Isn't it? Now they. They is used when we are talking about other people, animals or things. Okay, when we used they, when we are talking about people, animals or things. Got it? See the example. They are playing means two. 1 and 2. They are playing. They are having fun. Okay, so for the animals or for the people, we have to use they pronoun. We. We is used when I am talking about myself. If we are talking about ourselves means we have to use yes, talking, but along with others. That time we have to use we. See the example. This is Meera and I. We are friends. So, Meera and I. Along with Meera, I am also there. And with me, Meera is there. So, we are friends. This is Joe and I. We both love ice cream. Okay? Now, you. You is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. You are intelligent, you are clever, you are doctor, you are teacher. Okay, you are singers, you are beautiful, you are intelligent. Like this you can use. Means you use for talking someone in front of us. Now see some another examples and we have to fill in this exercise. First one is, what is the question? Write I, he, she, it, they or you in the blanks. So first, dash are my toys. Second, dash are a teacher. Third one is, dash is my mother. Dash is a cupboard. And fifth one is, dash I am a girl. So what are the answers, friend? Can you tell me the answers? Yes, They are my toys. Yes, you are a teacher. She is my mother. It is a cupboard. And I am a girl. Now see some another examples. So student, these were the personal pronouns. What were they? These were the personal pronoun. Let us take some example of this. Kevin is a boy. Kevin likes to swim. Kevin won many swimming competitions. So in place of Kevin, what we have to write? Can you tell me? Yes, as already I have given the answers. These are called the personal pronoun replaces a noun or nouns. So these are two types of personal pronouns, subject or objects. So what are the subject pronoun or what are the objects pronoun? Let us begin. Personal pronoun as subject. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These all words we have already discussed. So these are called the personal pronoun as a subject. Okay. I hope you would have cleared about this. Is this clear to you? Yes. Now see some another example. She bakes a carrot cake, but here she already written, so we can say my mother or my sister or my grandmother or my auntie. Like this we can write. So in place of my mother, which pronoun we have to use? She. Clear? So this is subject pronoun. As we already learnt about this, we have to use she where we have to use she, he, it, we, they. Got it? Now again we have to revise it. My mother likes to dance or my brother likes to dance. I said mother, it is brother. My brother likes to dance. What we have to use for this? This is a noun. In place of this noun, which pronoun we have to use? Yes, he likes to dance because for the men and boys we have to use he. Clear? Now, Kimmy and I walk to school together. So, for this, what we have to use? Now, let's start. We walk to school together. Okay? The box is in front of the door. I already told you for the non-living things, what we have to use? It article. Clear? So it is in front of the door. Now, Caleb and Tiana built a snow fort. Yes, these are the two nouns. So, which pronoun we have to use? Let's see. They built a snow fort. Okay. You we have to use for the singular and plural. Both the nouns we have to use you only. You are watching this video right now. Charlie is hungry. Charlie wants dinner. Charlie wants a burger. See here, Charlie is a girl. So if we are saying about Charlie, but if Charlie will say by herself, then what we have to use? Yes, she will say, I am hungry. I want dinner. I want a burger. Okay? If we are talking about ourselves, means we say, I am hungry, I am thirsty, I am intelligent, I am clever, I am smart. Got it? So, we have to use I pronoun. Now, personal pronoun as object. So, these are the personal pronoun as object we have to use. Where we have to use and how. Let's see. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Miss Ria gave Jack a balloon. Okay. So, Jack is, who is Jack? Boy or girl? Yes, he is a boy. So, what we have to use? Yes, what we have to use as object? him. Now let's see. Miss Ria gave him a balloon. Is this clear, students? Yes. I helped Nora plant a tree. Nora. Who is Nora here? Girl or boy? Girl. Let us see what we will use. I already told you what we have to use for Nora. Her. Okay? So we have to use her. I helped her plant a tree. Now let us some another example. Can you tell your friends to come on Sunday? Can you tell your friends to come on Sunday? In place of your friends, what we have to use? Them. Let us see. Can you tell them to come on Sunday? Mom took my sister and me to the hair salon. Mom took my sister and me to the hair salon. So what we have to use for this? See, my mom took us means for me and my sister we have to use us. Okay, so my mom took us to the hair salon. Got it? Now, so these were the, what were they? They were the subject pronoun. Clear? And me, them, him, her, us. They are object pronoun. They are object pronoun. Okay? Me, him, her, it, us, them and you. Okay? Because you we have to use for both the nouns as singular and plural. So these are the object pronoun and this come under personal pronoun. Got it? So we have completed one topic, that was personal pronouns. I hope it would be helpful for you. Now once again we have to revise by the another exercises. Nikki has a pet. It is a dog. So we have to use it for living things as a animal. Okay? And for the non-living things we have to use it. They are my grandparents. I help them. Them is also object pronoun. You are my best friend. I like to play with you. You we have to use as singular and plural both the nouns. You are my parents. I am proud of you. Okay, children? So these were some examples of, yes, object pronoun. It comes under personal pronouns. So in the next video, we will complete chapter 11 from grammar as well as from the literature. Okay, so till then you have to revise it and practice another